Hello everyone, Gariman here for Pixsar Media App and welcome to another Pixsar Media tutorial. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the onboarding process of the Pixsar Media App or how to sign up as a business or as an event organizer. It could be a creator, whatever event you want to create. This is your first steps on the Pixsar Media App. Get started live streaming and making money online. So without wasting any time, let's get started right away. But before you get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that and click on the bell notification button. That way, when we release a new Pixsar Media tutorial, you'll be notified. Alright, let's jump into the screen and I will show you how to get started with the Pixsar Media app. Hello everyone, Gariman here with another Pixsar Media app tutorial. So in this video, I'll be showing you the onboarding process or the sign up process as promised. So let's get started, no wasting any time. Alright, so right here in the dashboard, I already took you through this website and we looked at all this stuff. The previous tutorial, we talked about all these dashboard features which you are going to be looking at in more detail. But for now, let's get to the sign up process. So to get started with Pixsar Media app, you can simply click on this button right here, join now. This will take you to the sign up page. You can simply use the continue with the Google button to sign up. So that's one way to sign up. The other way is for you to go to for business and you click on the sign up now. And one last button right here is you can find it right here under the how it works tab. Go to this tab and go to get started. All those buttons will take you to this page where you can sign up. So you can simply use continue with Google. Alright, so once you choose your Google account, once you choose the correct Google account that you want to use to sign up, you are going to be redirected to the sign up page or the onboarding page where you can enter all the information that is required. Now, on my side, or for me, I've already entered some of the information, but you are going to be redirected to this page right here to get started. So you're going to start with your country and then your phone number and click on continue to company info. Next, you're going to be required to upload your logo, which you can see I have already uploaded, and then you can enter your company name right here. The location, my currency is already selected depending on your country, and then small company description and click on continue to documents. So the documents part, I think my logo might be huge, I don't know if it's big. So your logo should not exceed 1000 pixels and it should not be less than 512 pixels. Alright, so I think I need to fix my logo to this size right here, 512 by 512. So the easiest way would be to use Canva. Yeah, but there are many apps to do this. You can even use the Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Express, very many other tools on the internet. So from Canva, just go to create and go to custom size and click right here. So instead of 500 by 500, you're going to say 530 by 530. Okay, and okay. So here is a trick that you're going to use. Instead of going to Canva or Photoshop, let's just go to this tool right here, the snip and sketch, which is an app for taking screenshots on your Windows. I'm not sure about the Mac, but I'm guessing it also has something like this. So hoping I've gotten a good screenshot. I'll just upload it right here and we can proceed to the documents part. Alright, next, once you upload your logo, just go to the next step where you can upload your company documentation. But the Pixsar Media guys already know they are dealing with people like you and me, creators, event organizers. Most probably you don't have papers for the company certificate, the MOA, Memorandum of Association. You probably don't have these, and that's why they have made this optional. The ID, I've already uploaded my ID, which is very cool. So the last part here is for the review. You simply click, once you are done there, you just click on complete registration and then you can go to the review part. So once you are reviewed, you just go to the email, confirm your email, see the email that you received. Once you go through the whole onboarding process, the next step for you is to activate your free trial before you can access the dashboard. So once you have finished submitting your documents and you have clicked on complete registration, you will be redirected to this page where you can activate your free trial, and then you are going to get a button to go to the dashboard, and then you just click on go to the dashboard, and then you can get started with the good stuff. All right, so hope you did follow through with the onboarding process. I hope you did find this video helpful, the onboarding process, the onboarding video for the Pixsar Media app. So in the next video, I'll be taking you through the dashboard and how to create your first event and get started live streaming and making money online. So thank you very much for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next Pixsar Media app tutorial.